everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Holly and I am here with a universe bound sound chamber unboxing, and this is the second box of this series, and I am so happy to have received this because I am looking forward to seeing what we have inside. This is a fairly new subscription. The Universe Bound subscription box is not a new subscription box company, but this is a branch off, and it is the audiobook box part of the Universe Bound book box subscription box. And I am very excited to dive right into this. Now, the sound chamber subscription box is $25 a month, and you get 2 audio books, and you get candles, and I believe bath bombs and coffee and tea and a pillow and other stuff in here. And why don't we just get right inside and see what James has sent us this month. So I did unseal this. He does send us a little note, so we will know exactly what we received. And let's just see what we've got in here. So this is not how the box comes. It does come in a United Postal Service white box. I just take it out of that box so you don't have to watch me struggle, because you don't want to see that part. It's not good. And I did cut this open so we can see what is on the inside, and this is what you will see when you open it up. That is what we see, and here's our note. And I just love this little stamp he does. It's kind of got the the Raiders of the Lost Ark kind of little vibe going on. Almost makes you not want to destroy it. And it's got the little J on there. The curator's first name is James, so kind of makes you not want to, destroy it. But you got to get into it. You got to break the seal to get to the good stuff. So let's see what we've got going on in here. And that's what the note, everything is listed on the inside, and that tells you about your books. All your contents are in here. It tells you what you received, which I love that he adds this, and it is 2 pages. First we have our candle, and where are you, candle? Trying to find the candle. Well, this one is Universe Bound Experience Candle. I'm going to open this right up. At least I think I'm going to. I may need my scissors. Come on. Oh, that is beautiful. I love how it has oh my goodness. It has the herbs in it. That smells wonderful. I don't see the wick though. I'm not locating the wick here. It does smell. That smells wonderful. Okay, I'm looking for. It gives you the instructions on making the coffee, and then the instructions on doing the MP3. The candle, the fragrance is Plutonian mist with lavender seeds, and they make these right there. That smells amazing. It's very, very nice ceramic. Very nice ceramic holder. Very nice, like that, like that. Okay, and then we have some rock sugar for the tea, coffee, and standalone enjoyment. And these, at first I really did not know what these were, but these are yummy, delicious. I love these. I love how they put it in these little things. These are really good. They really are very good. To just, you pop one in your mouth and off you go. Very nice. Nice little treat when you got a little sweet tooth and you don't want something really heavy. Very nice treat. And then we have our coffee and our tea, this stuff. I'm addicted to this stuff. And the coffee is, okay, James. The coffee is, the blend is called Death Wish. And the tea is Clementine Sunset. And there is the coffee and the tea. The coffee is amazing. Death Wish, I don't know. Oh my goodness gracious. This coffee is, woo, that's gonna be some good coffee. And Clementine Sunset. Oh, you can definitely smell the citrus in that. That smells amazing. I love the citrus smell in that. And then you always get a bag of treats. My dog's ears just went whoop. She heard the word T-R-E-A-T-S. She knows what that word means. Okay. And then you get snackage. I like that word, James. Nice, snackage. Oh my goodness. You outdid yourself this time, James. And you upped your game. You upped your game. Assorted candy. So, in there is some assorted candies. And, oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Fig Newtons of it all. You sent some Fig Newtons because you got to have a snack while you're listening to your books. And I just love Fig Newtons. I absolutely adore Fig Newtons. I really do love Fig Newtons. So we got 2 Fig Newtons. And then we got some Mother's Original Circus Animals. And then we got some Raisin. 3 of those. We've got 3 Raisin candies to munch on while we're listening to our audiobooks. And then we got a pillow, and this was handmade at the place. Let's open this. This is my first pillow. I'm so excited. Oh, this is beautiful. Oh, this is beautiful. Oh my goodness. This is so beautiful. Oh, this is beautiful. Look at them colors. Isn't that just gorgeous? Isn't that gorgeous? Oh, my dog is eyeballing it too. Like, I am going to get that. She thinks she is. Isn't that just gorgeous? I love the vibrant colors in this. It's gorgeous. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. Very, very nice. And I love the fact that it's handmade too. Very nice. Thank you for sending that. Now I can rest my head while I'm reading my book. Love it. I love it. Very nice. Like that. Okay, and now we're down to our books. Okay, let's see what books we have been sent. And the first book is Tales of the Invisible Hand. There we go. Oh, I got a piece of plastic on me. Get off me. Okay, Tales of the Invisible Hand. Journey to the high-flying adventures in an age long forgotten by modern man. Tales of the Invisible Hand begins a saga of arcane technology, mighty empires, and ancient conspiracy before the dawn of civilization, a saga that will shape our world. For the unlikely pair of Zek and Gar, a rookie pilot eager to prove himself, and the Neanderthal Inquisitor he is tasked to deliver a routine diplomatic mission becomes a baptism by fire, a flight deep into untamed territory to investigate unrest among the primitive tribes, expose an ancient menace, and ignites a chain of events that will forever alter the course of human history, with the future of mankind hanging in the balance. The mismatched travelers must overcome their differences and learn to trust in each other's instincts if they want to have any hopes of surviving. That sounds pretty interesting. It kind of reminds me of, like, okay, I'm showing my age here, but like Battlestar Galactica. That's what it kind of reminds me of, like Battlestar Galactica. That's what it reminds me of, which I did not mind watching when I was younger. So I kind of find this kind of interesting. So I'm going to rather like that. Oh boy. Okay, that one, the next one is rather interesting looking. Okay, and the next one, oh, I didn't tell you who this was by. This is by Miles Holmes. This one here, The Invisible Hand, Miles Holmes. And the next one is by Helen H. Durant. I think that's how you say it, Durant or Durant. And it's called Dead Wrong. First a shooting, then a grisly discovery on the common. Police partners D.I. Colladine and D.S. Ruth Bayless race against time to track down a killer before the whole area erupts in violence. Their boss thinks it's all down to a drug lord, Ray Fallon, but Calladine's instincts say something far nastier is happening on the Hobfield housing estate. Can this duo track down the murderer before anyone else dies and before the press publicizes the gruesome crimes? Detective Calladine and Bayless are led on a trail which gets dangerously close to home. In a thrilling finale, they race against time to rescue someone very close to Calladine's heart. If you like Angela Marson's Rachel Abbott, Mel Sherratt, Rachel Rendell, or Mark Billingham, you'll be gripped by this exciting new crime fiction writer. Dead Wrong is the first in a new series of detective thrillers featuring D.S. Ruth Bayless and D.I. Tom Calladine. Tom Calladine is a single 51-year-old detective inspector who is devoted to his job. His personal life, however, is not successful. Having been married and divorced before the age of 21, he has set a pattern that he finds difficult to escape. Ruth Bayless is in her 30s, plain speaking but loyal. She wishes she had more time for the gym and a love life. She uses her demanding workload as an excuse not to try too hard with men that she meets. The series is set in the fictional village of Leisden on the outskirts of an industrial northern English city. There is little work and a lot of crime. The bane of Calladine's life is in the Hobfield housing estate, breeding ground to all that is wrong with the area that he calls home. That sounds interesting. And this is one disc, is 6 hours. That sounds interesting. I'm gonna like that one. And then this one is one disc and 14 hours of listening. So that's not bad. That's about 20 hours of listening. That's awesome. I like this box this month again. I can't wait to dive into these. I can't wait. Oh, I can't wait. And I have been sharing these with my family members and they are loving it. And it has been putting a smile on family members' faces. And I'm loving that as well. So it has just been a godsend. Thank you so much, James. It has been a godsend. means a lot to me. So I want to just say, if you haven't got your hands on this audiobook box, what are you waiting for? You need it in your life, and it is amazing. So if you are not yet subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and I would love to have you here on my channel. So that is it for this video. I will see you in my next video real soon. Bye, y'all.